Ever wondered if you're ready for the AI revolution? Let's explore how the blazing speed of AI progress is reshaping the skills that keep us competitive. As we move forward into the future, the landscape of work and the skills needed to excel are evolving at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a significant driving force behind this transformation. With its capacity to automate various tasks, AI is changing the way we work, live, and interact with the world. From self-driving cars to intelligent virtual assistants, the impact of AI is widespread and growing at an exponential rate. As AI continues to advance, the question arises, what skills will humans need to stay competitive? The answer is not as straightforward as one might think. While it's true that AI can perform many tasks faster and more accurately than humans, there are still areas where human skills are irreplaceable. In this video, we'll explore 5 key skills that will set humans apart in an AI-driven world. First, we have adaptability. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to learn quickly and adjust to new technologies, industries, and working environments will be crucial. This means being open to continuous learning and skill development. Next is critical thinking. Despite AI's computational prowess, humans excel in areas where judgment, reasoning, and decision-making are necessary. The ability to solve complex problems using critical thinking will be invaluable in the future. Thirdly, we have emotional intelligence. AI may be smart, but it lacks the ability to understand and navigate human emotions. The development of empathy, social skills, and the ability to work effectively in teams will be essential. Physical skills come next. Despite advances in robotics, professions requiring physical dexterity, strength, and endurance will continue to be in demand, particularly in areas like healthcare, construction, and manufacturing. Finally, we have interdisciplinary knowledge. The ability to integrate knowledge from various fields and apply it to complex problems will be a valuable skill in the future. Now let's delve deeper into these vital skills that will set humans apart in an AI-driven world. Adaptability will be the cornerstone of success in the future. Picture this. A seasoned journalist, let's call him John, was a master of his craft. He could weave words into compelling narratives that had the power to move his readers. John was at the top of his game, but then the digital revolution hit the media industry like a tsunami. Suddenly, the traditional print media was losing ground to digital platforms. News was now consumed in chunks of 280 characters or less. The ink-laden pages that John was so adept at filling were being replaced by screens of varying sizes. John was confronted with a choice: to adapt to the new digital landscape or risk becoming irrelevant. So what did John do? He embraced the change. He didn't just learn how to write for digital platforms, he mastered it. He learned the importance of catchy headlines and search engine optimization. He understood the power of social media in amplifying his stories. He even learned to code to better understand the mechanics of the digital world. John didn't stop there. He saw the emergence of data journalism and understood its potential. So he added another feather to his cap. He learned data analysis and visualization and started incorporating data-driven insights into his stories, making them more compelling and impactful. John's story is not unique. It's the story of countless professionals across industries who have had to adapt to new technologies and changing working environments. It's a testament to the power of continuous learning and skill development. John's adaptability didn't just help him survive the digital revolution, it made him thrive. He became more valuable to his employers, more relevant to his audience, and more fulfilled in his work. He became a better journalist. John's journey of adaptation wasn't easy, but it was necessary. And it's a journey we all must embark on, as we navigate the ever-changing landscape of our respective industries. Remember, in this era of rapid technological advancement, change is the only constant, and our ability to adapt to this change will determine our success in the future. In this ever-changing world, adaptability is not just an asset, but a necessity. Critical thinking, a faculty where humans excel, will be highly prized. In an era where artificial intelligence continues to advance, one might question, what truly sets us apart as humans? The answer lies in our ability to think critically. Our capacity for judgment, reasoning, and decision-making far surpasses any algorithm or machine. Consider this. A company is facing a complex problem that has multiple solutions, each with different outcomes and implications. An AI might be able to process data faster and more accurately, but it can't understand the nuances and complexities of human behavior. It can't evaluate the ethical implications of a decision or the potential impact on stakeholders. That's where we come in. In a real-life scenario, let's take the case of a doctor diagnosing a patient. The doctor has access to the latest AI diagnostic tools, but these are far from infallible. The doctor must consider the patient's medical history, their current symptoms, and even their emotional state. They must use their judgment and reasoning to interpret the data and make an informed diagnosis. It's a complex process that requires a delicate balance of knowledge, experience, and intuition. Or let's consider a business leader faced with a strategic decision. They have reams of data at their disposal, but they also need to consider the human element. They need to understand their team's capabilities, their customers' needs, and the market dynamics. They need to make a decision that is not only data-driven, but also compassionate, ethical, and visionary. These are skills that cannot be automated. They require a deep understanding of human nature, a keen intuition, and a willingness to question and challenge assumptions. As we move into the future, these skills will become even more valuable. We will need to hone our critical thinking skills, to be able to analyze and interpret complex information, to make informed decisions, and to navigate the complexities of human interaction. So while AI may be able to automate many tasks, it will never replace the unique human ability to think critically. Harnessing our innate ability to think critically will give us an edge in a world dominated by AI. Emotional intelligence is something AI lacks, making it a crucial human skill. As we delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, we find that it's not just about coding and algorithms. It's also about the human touch, the emotional intelligence that sets us apart from machines. Let's take a moment to understand the importance of empathy, social skills, and teamwork in the workplace. Imagine a scenario where you're part of a team working on a project. Everyone is great at what they do, but something doesn't feel quite right. There's tension in the air, communication is strained, and progress is slower than it should be. This is where emotional intelligence comes into play. It's about understanding and managing your own emotions and those of the people around you. It's about being able to navigate through the tension, to help your team communicate better and work more efficiently together. Now, let's consider a different scenario. You're a sales representative and you're meeting a potential client. You have all the facts and figures at your fingertips, but the client seems hesitant. This is where empathy and social skills shine. It's not just about presenting information, it's about understanding the client's needs and concerns, building a relationship, and finding a solution that works for them. Another key aspect of emotional intelligence is teamwork. Let's think about a football team. Each player has their own skills and strengths, but it's their ability to work together as a unit, to understand and anticipate each other's moves that leads them to victory. The same applies in the workplace. It's about leveraging the unique skills and perspectives of each team member, fostering a collaborative environment, and working towards a common goal. In all these scenarios, you can see how emotional intelligence impacts work outcomes. It's not something that can be programmed into an AI. It's a uniquely human skill that involves understanding, empathy, and connection. As we continue to navigate our way through this era of rapid technological advancement, let's not forget the importance of our emotional intelligence. Our ability to understand and navigate human emotions will always set us apart from AI. Despite AI advancements, physical skills and interdisciplinary knowledge remain uniquely human. This is a truth that we cannot overlook. As much as we marvel at the possibilities of artificial intelligence, there are facets of human capability that machines are yet to replicate. Consider professions that demand physical dexterity, strength, and endurance. A surgeon delicately navigating the human body, a construction worker deftly scaling towering structures, or a potter molding clay into art with their bare hands. These are all roles that rely heavily on the human touch, a blend of precision, strength, and instinct that artificial intelligence can't quite capture. Just as essential is the ability to draw from various fields and disciplines to solve complex problems. This is where interdisciplinary knowledge comes into play. It's the ability to connect the dots between seemingly unrelated areas, to see patterns where others see chaos. Take, for instance, the field of healthcare. Here we find an intricate blend of biology, technology, psychology, and even sociology. A doctor doesn't just diagnose based on symptoms. They consider the patient's history, lifestyle, and emotional state. They might even need to understand the dynamics of the patient's community or cultural practices. This is a fusion of knowledge that a machine, confined to its coded instructions, can't quite replicate. Or let's consider the realm of construction. This is a field where engineering meets artistry, safety regulations intertwine with aesthetic design, and manual labor merges with cutting-edge technology. It's a symphony of different disciplines, all working in harmony to create structures that are both functional and visually pleasing. And then there's manufacturing, where logistics, engineering, and market trends all come together to produce goods that meet consumer needs and desires. It's a delicate dance of supply and demand, production and distribution, a dance that requires a broad understanding of multiple disciplines. In all these examples, we see the power of the human touch and the fusion of fields. Our physical capabilities and the ability to merge knowledge from diverse fields will continue to be in high demand. Despite the rise of AI, these are the aspects that keep us uniquely human, uniquely valuable. As AI continues to advance, human skills will need to evolve too. In the face of such technological evolution, 5 key skills have emerged as essential for humans to stay competitive. Adaptability, first and foremost, is key. In this ever-changing landscape, being open to continuous learning, swiftly adapting to new technologies, and embracing change are vital. Critical thinking, too, will be a highly prized asset. It's our ability to judge, reason, and make decisions that sets us apart from artificial intelligence. Emotional intelligence, the capacity to understand and navigate human emotions, will also be indispensable. Don't underestimate physical skills either. Certain professions, particularly in healthcare, construction, and manufacturing, will continue to demand them. Lastly, interdisciplinary knowledge, the ability to integrate information from various fields to tackle complex problems, will be highly valuable. In an AI-driven world, these human skills will become our strongest assets, ensuring our competitiveness and relevance. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.